Alright guys, this is a G class, this is a G500, this is a 2002. So guys, the problem we should be having is I'm trying to shift the shifter, it's not driving the car. So well guys, what you do, you just you run your car. As you run it, you make sure this one is in neutral position. Once it goes to neutral position, guys, what you do is you come here, you press on low, you keep holding low for like 15 seconds, and then you let it loose, and then guys, your gearbox will start working. If you shift, the car will start driving or moving. But before you do that, guys, the gearbox will not shift at all. It will get stuck, it will not move anywhere. So guys, I hope this video helps you out as you fix your G500, and then I wish you all the best. See you next time.